Now you have found a home, and what happens next? Well, you have to write up a contract or an offer to purchase. So you're taking this offer to purchase to the seller because you're putting an offer on their home. A real estate agent, they are experts at helping you with that. If you're doing this alone, that's totally fine. But it's an offer to purchase, okay? So now you have to call us. Once you found a home, you're ready to do this offer to purchase, you need to call us, and now it's time to lock your rate in. So we talked about late rates last week. Now this week we actually have to lock you in. That means it's a lock period of anywhere from 45 to 60 days. And that means the rate for you, the rate that we quote you and we lock you in at, will not go up in that 45 to 60 days. That's very important because rates fluctuate a lot. They can go up several points in a month span, and you don't want that to happen to you while going behind the scenes and getting everything prepared for your closing. So we lock it in that day. That's what we'll do typically. So, and then the other thing that we'll do is if we didn't get it last week, we'll do it for you this time, and that's a pre-qualification letter. It just pre-qualifies you. You attach that to your offer to purchase. That signals the seller that you are ready to go. You're already pre-approved. That puts you in the top. If there's multiple bids on this house, it puts you right in the top of the pile of bids because they know you're ready to go. Okay, so that's what we do. So the next thing that we do is we are going to the lender. We'll send you a bunch of documents, and they will be in an email to you, and you can electronically sign those documents. Some of the figures on there will look kind of strange, some of the numbers, and the reason they will is because they're slightly inflated. This is very preliminary. None of these figures are locked in at this point because we still don't have what it's going to cost for the appraiser. Every appraiser is a little different. The title company, every title company is a little different. So as we move along in the process, those numbers will get a little bit more real until we're right at maybe a week or so before closing. Maybe within a few days, 5 days to a week before closing, we'll be able to get you the actual numbers that are the real numbers and the bottom line, what you would actually bring to closing. So right now, this is preliminary. We just need to get your signature, which signals us to go ahead and start moving along in the process and order an appraisal and all that kind of stuff. So we're so excited for you. I can't wait to talk to you and see where you're at in the process. So next week, we're going to talk about behind the scenes because now you found a house. So what happens now for those 45 to 60 days in between before you close? I will go through all of that. So next week, Wednesday, is the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. And so you guys have a really great week, and I can't wait to see you then.